This is Insta360 X4, and today I'll show how you can manually set the white balance or simply adjust its value on this camera. At the start, make sure that preferred shooting mode, the shooting mode that you plan to use, is selected. Then from the right edge of your display, swipe to the left. Here, make sure to switch the camera mode from automatic to manual. Now, swipe this option selection to the left, find the white balance icon, tap on it, and here, well, switch to manual once again if it hasn't switched already. And here select what white balance, temperature, or, well, simply what white balance you would like for your camera to have. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.